I'll back in the kitchen. Just did a whole 2 videos, and I don't think either of them came out. I was trying to just check to make sure, and I didn't see anything. So, I had spinach and potatoes tonight. I am so upset that all the recording I did earlier was making the cracker candy, the spinach, the potatoes. None of it came out. I don't know. Sometimes I get distracted, and those distractions maybe lead me down a path, apparently, right? But I just want to come by now because I know that it didn't work, and say that I'm sorry, Becca Booze, that your videos didn't come out today. But I think, in essence, that everything is for a reason. And there's a reason why the videos didn't come out, and that's fine. I know this one is recording, and that's cool too. But I just wanted to let you know that I tried. And all I had was sauteed spinach and some delicious mashed potatoes. Oh, and some cucumbers. And I shared with you guys, but here's another little bite. I'm so preoccupied with this move, you guys. You know, I guess I could blame it on anything, but it really is annoying when you do a whole 2 videos, and it must have been at least an hour and a half worth of film footage recording down the drain. Or no recording. And then the thing is, I look to make sure that everything is, going the way it should. And it looks like it is. But then it's not. And that's what happens sometimes. But at least I got a little bit of food left to eat with you guys. And I'll just have to do another video again showing you how I made the garlic mashed potatoes and the sauteed spinach. Although, I do think in my catalog I do have the sauteed spinach already. Catalog of videos. Hi. Nothing more comfort food than a mashed potato. And that was really good. So the reason why you didn't see me pray at the beginning of the video is because I was already halfway done with my food. Or over halfway done with my food. And I had to start the video. I thought it was started. I did a whole video and there was no video. I just told you that. Don't worry about what's going on over here. Worry about what's going on over your own house. I asked you for comments because I just want to know if there's some things you'd like for me to research. I could help you out. The same way that my Becca Boots help me out every time they're watching me on screen. So I really love you guys. I thank you so much for coming back in the room with me. I appreciate you, and I'll talk to you tomorrow with another video, okay? Bye, guys. Bye.